Guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video we will see most important Azure services which are commonly used nowadays. So start with the first, Azure app services. So it is useful to host your web application and API application. So it quickly deploys your applications to the managed server. And second is Azure Functions. So it provides a serverless compute service to your application or API. So it is basically used for the task automation and background jobs. And third is Azure Kubernetes services. So it orchestrates your container, and it is useful for the deployment and scaling your uh, microservices. Next is Azure SQL database. It is used for the relational SQL database. It stores the structured data into the database. Next is Azure Cosmos. So it stores the data in NoSQL format, and like it is very highly scalable, low latency application used in worldwide. And next is Azure storage. So it store your blob storage, like it store your document, image and videos and backup and logs into the Azure blob storage. Next is API management service. So it works as API gateway for your APIs and securing your APIs. So it also provides authentication, rate limiting, monitoring and routing services. And next is application gateway, layer chain load balancer for the web application. So it enables the SSL termination, URL routing and WAF security. And next is service bus. So it is used for the enterprise message broker for asynchronous communication. So it decouples the microservices and improves the reliability. And next is event grid. So it performs the event routing for your service based on the PubSub architecture. So it enables the real-time event-driven applications. Next is Azure Open AI Search AI services. It useful for the accessing the GPT embedding and AI models. So it is powers with the chatbots, Copilot, RAG and Gen AI applications. Next is Azure AI Search. So it useful for the search service for like vector search or semantic search capabilities, and it is used for the core component for the RAG intelligent and the RAG intelligence search systems. And next is keyword. It is stored your sensitive information into the word. And next is Azure DevOps. So it handles the CI/CD pipeline, and it automates your build, test, and deployment pipelines. Last is Application Insights. So it monitors your application. It tracks the error. It tracks the performance and user behavior, and also diagnostic your application for the better report and